Although siya is Son of God, he is exempted, and yet hindi niya ginamit yung kanyang authority and power. But instead, he just display his humility by not offending these people. Our Bible reading today is in Matthew chapter 17, starting verse 24. And after Jesus and his disciples arrived in Capernaum, the collector of the 2 drachma tax came to Peter and asked, "Doesn't your teacher pay the temple tax?" "Yes, he does," he replied. When Peter came into the house, Jesus was the first to speak. "What do you think, Simon?" he asked. "To whom do the kings of the earth collect duty and taxes? From their own sons or from others?" "From others," Peter answered. "Then the sons are exempt," Jesus said to him. "But so that we may not offend them, go to the lake and throw out your line. Take the first fish you catch, open its mouth, and you will find 4 drachma coins. Take it and give it to them for my tax and yours." Dalawang bagay po ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Number 1 is this, yung humility ni Jesus, at number 2 ay yung miracle ni Jesus. Number 1 is this, ang temple tax collectors is nagko-collect sila sa lahat ng mga tao para gamitin yung pera na yon doon sa improvement ng temple. So, ang tanong niya kay Jesus is, sa disciples ay kung nagbabayad si Jesus ng temple tax. So, siyempre, kung ikaw ay follower ng isang leader mo, ang tendency mo, lagi mo siyang i-depend, di ba? So, si Peter ay merong ganong karakter na dinidepensa niya yung kanyang leader. Immediately ay sumagot agad siya na sinabi niyang, yes, nagbabayad. And then, sa ibang translations is, si Peter ay uuwi at pupunta doon sa kanyang biyanan. Parang, ang gagawin niya is, kukuha muna siya ng pera para ipambayad sa temple tax. Ibabayad niya si Jesus at ibabayad niya yung sarili niya. Pero ang ginawa ni Jesus ay in-stop siya. Sabi niya, huwag ka na pumunta, huwag ka na umalis, meron lang ako itatanong sa iyo. At ang tinanong niya is, yung bang hari, kinokolektahan ba ng tax yung mga anak? Sabi, hindi. Okay? Kasi exempted. So Jesus was saying is this, yung temple ay sa Father yun eh, God the Father ang nagsabi nun eh, di ba? Inutos ng Diyos na maggawa sila ng temple as their place of worship. And God will dwell in the midst of the temple, dun sa Ark of Covenant. Naandun siya sa Holy of Holies. So, that is the place where God is meeting God and His people. And Jesus the Messiah, He is the Son of God. He is exempted. In fact, siya nga yung napagawa ng temple, siya nga nagsabi mo pagawa eh. So, dapat exempted na siya. Pero si Jesus, ang ginawa niya is this, yung kanyang privilege and right ay hindi niya ginamit. And Jesus used His humility, ginamit niya ang kanyang humility para hindi ma-offend yung mga tao. So, ang tinuturo sa atin is this, alam mo, kapag ikaw ay nasa position of power and authority, hindi mo laging ginagamit yan for the sake na mapatunayan mo lang kung sino ka. Yung mga tao na gumagawa ng ganon is usually maiintindihan mo yan eh. Halimbawa, parang kung ikaw ay isang lawyer at alam mo ang lahat ng batas, tapos merong nagche-challenge sa iyo, kumakausap sa iyo tungkol sa batas, at tapos para mas magaling pa na hindi naman lawyer. So, walang lawyer na nakikipagdebate sa hindi kapwa lawyer. Hindi niya pwedeng ibaba yung kanyang sarili. Si Jesus on that level ay ganun din ang ibig sabihin nito. Although siya is Son of God, He is exempted, and yet hindi niya ginamit yung kanyang authority and power. But instead, He just display His humility by not offending these people. So, ang ginawa niya is, because that is a question, ang ginawa niya is magbabayad din siya ng kanyang tax. Secondly, ang gusto ko i-point is this, because he displayed his humility, then Jesus was able to perform a miracle. Bakit siya gumawa ng miracle na pinahuli yung kumuha sila ng pera sa bibig ng isda? Gusto niya patunayan doon sa temple tax collector that he is really the Son of God because he can perform miracles. Nakakagawa siya ng miracle. And walang tao na pwedeng gumawa niyan except if you are the Son of God. So Jesus, one, displayed his humility. Number two, at hindi niya pinatunayan na in-insert yung kanyang right and privileges. Number two is he just displayed his claim to be the Messiah by producing miracles. So, sa atin, ang application nito is kung ikaw ay mayroong isang titulo na hinahawakan sa sarili, hindi mo na kinakailangan na i-display yan. Okay? It will just prove yourself kapag lumalabas yan, kapag nandun sa isang situation. So I pray na may natutunan po kayo at nawa ay pinagpala kayo ng ating pag-aaral sa araw nito. God bless you.